Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to change a caliper. This is an Acura RSX. I'm going to be changing this caliper. So I decided to just pick up some rotors and do the pads while I'm at it, and I'm going to do both sides, both fronts. I've got my my impact tool for these two set screws. Basically, I'm going to tap those things off before I even do anything. So I still have a nice solid piece to work with, because if I took the caliper off first, and this is only if you're changing your rotors, obviously, but so this is my tool right here. It's just an impact tool. Basically, you mash on it. It looks good. Nice. Oh, thank God. Sometimes these don't come off as easy. My lucky day. Okay, so this bolt and this bolt are the ones you want to crank off to get the whole caliper off, and you also want to take fluid hose bolt. Okay, so what I've done is I've removed the top caliper bolt, and this is pretty loose, and what I'm going to do before I actually remove everything, both bolts totally, is make sure this hose bolt is loose, so it's not dangling around and you're trying to loosen it. So, and just for reference, these are 14, this is 14, and those are 17 millimeters. And you want to have something to catch there's going to be a little bit coming out when you pull the caliper off, so make sure you got at least something, a coffee can or whatever, to catch that, because she's going to be dripping. Okay, so we have all the bolts off, and you see how everything is just kind of loose now. It's still dripping. I have my hose. I set my hose up here to eliminate as much fluid loss from just by putting it like that. Just let gravity kind of take care of it. But you may have to knock on it a little bit to get the caliper off. And this thing's going to be dripping all over the place too, so you're going to want to grab yourself a rag or put it in the new box, or just keep it upright so it's not losing fluid. So here's the old one and the new one side by side. Basically the new one comes with these, so you just have to, and these are all your new pads, so you just have to basically set them in right here. That's where the clips are. Boom and boom. Right there. Okay. So we've got our clips in on each side. One on this side and one on this side. So now we're going to put the pads in. Okay, now that we have the pads in, our caliper, our semi-loaded caliper, we're going to go ahead now and replace our rotor with our new one. Alright, so our new rotor is on, and next I'm going to reinstall the loaded caliper. Okay, so we're going to get the caliper on here now. Now you want to make sure that you don't secure the rotor down. It wants to be nice and free. That way you can get the all the mounting and everything will set right. So we're just going to slide it right in, line it up with the holes. I put some anti-seize on our mounting bolts. It can get a little tricky lining these up, but you just kind of have to feel it and kind of wiggle it around a little bit. Right. A little bit more anti-seize, and we'll do the bottom one now. And you also want to make sure that you hand thread these first. Make sure they're going in straight. And then after that you torque them down. Alright, so next what we're going to do is get our hose installed. And you're going to see that there's 2 bronze washers that come with the new caliper, and you want to put one on each side. Okay. Now